In today's episode, I'm sharing with you a small Christmas haul. Now, if you're interested in seeing what I picked up, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello everyone, I am Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, decorating on a budget. Now, I picked up a couple of things here back, some in the summer, a couple of things, and a couple of things, as a matter of fact, today. I picked up two items today, well, three. And I didn't think I was going to have much of a Christmas haul because I really wasn't planning on buying anything new for Christmas. But then I saw some things this summer that went on sale on Amazon. And that's these bells. Now, I saw these little bells, and they were on sale for $8. Let's say 9, they were $8.87, something like that. So I bought 2 sets of these. I got 2 sets of these bells. And I think they're going to be cute in my Christmas decor this year. So I got those. Now, I know they still have them on Amazon, so I will put the link down below so if you're interested in getting these. Okay? Now, the other thing I picked up when I was at the Dollar Tree, I picked this up back in, it may have been August or September, I'm not sure. They had these round glitter mats, placemats, at the Dollar Tree. Now, when I saw these, I thought of the table runners who was that? Was that Pure One that had it, or was it Kirkland's? One of them had a table runner that had the glitter gold like this. So when I saw these, I thought these would be perfect to add on to my collection for Christmas in the front, because I'm kind of keep that theme in the front the same, but add to it, So of course I got 6 of these, and at the time when I bought them is when they went from $1 to $1.25. So these were $1.25 each, but I don't think they have them anymore. But like I said, I got these in the earlier part of the summer. I'm excited about those too because I have too much going on in my head of what I want to decorate with for the Christmas time. And then back in the summer, which I laughed at myself, excuse the rattling, I saw these. Well, I saw this one. And they only had 4 on the shelf. And I thought, this is cute. It's a candle holder. And it's like a little bowl, a little gift box. It has a little glass vase inside for a candle holder. So I picked this one up. I picked 2 of these up. All I saw was these, right? Well, what was it? Friday, Thursday of this last week, I went in the Dollar Tree and I saw this one, the larger one like it. So I bought 2 of the large ones, so now I have 1 of each. These are gorgeous, and I saw some like this, I think it was at World Market. I saw some similar to these with the bows on the top. Oh, well, it may have been Kirkland's, but they had some similar to these with the bows on the top, but of course, this was a little thicker. Glass here was a little taller, but these are dupes. So I'm going to look for those and see if I can put the link up. I think it was Kirkland's I saw these at. It may have been. I don't know, but I'm going to look and see. And then I've been going to the Dollar Tree since last Wednesday, I believe, in the mornings when I get up, because I was looking for a specific item. Now, last year when it came out, I was sick. I couldn't walk. That's when I had the procedure done on my knee, and I wasn't able to walk. So when my niece went to the store for me, of course, they were out. All they had was 1. So she went to another Dollar Tree. She went to 2 more to be exact, and they had none either. So I was a little disgusted because that would have been the 2nd year that I missed out on these. So I've been going every morning since last Wednesday. I went last Wednesday, Thursday. I didn't go Friday, but I went Saturday with my sister. We went to 3 Dollar Trees on Saturday. And then I didn't go yesterday. Tell me why I went into the Dollar Tree after I took my husband to dialysis and I saw the Christmas plates out. So Alrighty, I'm on alert. I'm looking for the ones I'm looking for. All they had was the saucers. That's all they had in the Dollar Tree in my neighborhood. See, there's a Dollar Tree in my subdivision at the end of my subdivision. That's only, I don't think it's been there a year yet. But anyway, all they had was a big stack of the dessert plates or salad plates, however you want to call them. So I was like, okay, I'll go ahead and get 6 of these. And if that's all I get, then that's all I get. You know, I was disgusted, right? Okay, yeah. So then I went to the other Dollar Tree that's about maybe 3-4 minutes from this. The one I went to in my subdivision is on down the road. I want to say about half a mile or so from where I am. I went in that Dollar Tree. I saw the Christmas plates. So I'm starting to get a little anxious, right? Yeah. Well, I went in that Dollar Tree. They had 2 stacks of the plates. No saucers. They had bowls. They had the coffee mugs and the little stemless wine glasses. I don't need any more wine glasses, y'all. If y'all know my collection, y'all know I don't need no more wine glasses. So I picked up 6 of these beautiful plates. Now y'all know these are a dupe for, where are they a dupe from? I can't think, y'all. My mind is blank right now. They are dupe from, it's not Hobby Lobby. It may be Kirkland's, I think. Y'all know about these plates. Now, one of them last year, of course, by the time my niece got there, like I said, they didn't have any. And so I know in the kitchen, I try to do, make from the front flow. So I picked up 3 of the coffee mugs. I only wanted 3 because I put them on my coffee stand in there. And I'm really contemplating going back and getting 2 more. Because I put 2 on the coffee mug thing. And then I need some to put on the coffee maker and the Keurig. So I might go back and get 2 more of these. Just to play it safe. But they did have bowls. And I hardly ever buy the bowls. Because I'm like, what am I going to do with them? The plates and the saucers are gorgeous. And I'm so glad that I got them this year. And I'm glad that the saucers do not have words on them. If you know me, you know I do not like the saucers when they have words on them. If I knew of a way to get the words off, I would get the words off. Because I just don't like words on the plates. And if I get them and they have words on them, like the fall ones had thankful on it. So what I do when I get them, I will get napkins and put the napkins over the words because I don't like the words. But this is my small little Christmas haul, and I'm so happy I got these plates this year because I wanted to get them last year. I had in my mind what I was going to do. Is this something else? What is this? Hold on. I think I have another. Oh, that's the saucer. So I got 6 saucers, 6 plates. I got the 2 of the large, 2 of the small gift box lanterns, 3 cups, and I got 2 of these bells. I think they're so cute. They're going to be, oh, I have something else. Hold on. I almost forgot. My sister and I went to Pop Shelf this weekend. And I should have recorded. We went so many places. We were just out having sister fun. And I should have recorded some of our going in because we were laughing and the whole time. Now, I saw these at Pop Shelf. And there's this little box and it has a bell. Here it is. It has bells inside here. It has pine cones, the whole 9. And I thought these were cute to go in my entryway. So, I thought these were cute. I got 2 of these from Pop Shelf. So, of course, they were $8 from Pop Shelf. And like I said, I got 2 of them. Here's the other one. You can see the bells better on this one. That one over there, I straightened it out already. But I think they're cute. And they're going to really look good for my Christmas decor this year. Not quite sure what I want to do, but I do have in mind how I want things to go. So I said I wasn't going to spend a lot this year, because I already have so much on Christmas decor. So I hope y'all enjoy. One more thing. I purchased these hydrangeas. They are more of a brownish, goldish color. I purchased these because I had in mind something I was going to do, but now I'm not going to do it. But I do have these, and I think I did share them with my fall decor, I think. But I did pick up these. But like I said, these are not going to be used because I'm not doing it color, because I decided to stick with what I already have. So I hope this babbling I'm doing about my little small haul for Christmas, I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think about the items I found down below in the description. You know I enjoy reading your comments. And hopefully I will see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.